Imagine standing on the surface of another planet and looking up at the sun. It's still the same star we see from Earth, but its size, color, and brightness change dramatically. What would the sun look like from Venus, Mars, or even distant Neptune? Let's find out. Let's start our journey just one step closer to the sun, on Venus. Venus is about 67 million miles from the sun, much closer than Earth. Here, the sun appears about twice as bright as it does from our planet. But you wouldn't be able to see it clearly because Venus is shrouded in a thick, toxic atmosphere, made mostly of carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid. The sky would be a hazy yellowish-orange, and sunlight would scatter diffusely, almost like a perpetually overcast day. Even though the sun is so bright, Venus's thick clouds block most of it, making the surface eerily dim and oppressive. Next, let's hop over to Mars, about 142 million miles from the sun. From here, the sun appears smaller, about two-thirds the size we see from Earth. The Martian sky is a dusty pinkish red, but during sunrise or sunset, it turns blue near the sun, thanks to the way sunlight interacts with fine Martian dust particles. The sun's light is weaker on Mars, but the planet's thin atmosphere makes it easier to see the sun clearly. Imagine standing on a rusty plain, watching a smaller, fainter sun set over a horizon that stretches endlessly. Finally, we arrive at Neptune, the farthest planet from the sun, at an average distance of 2.8 billion miles. The sun here is a dim, tiny speck in a deep blue sky. It's about 900 times dimmer than the sunlight we experience on Earth. If you were standing on one of Neptune's moons, like Triton, you'd see the sun as a pinprick of light, barely illuminating the icy, barren landscape. It would feel more like perpetual night than day. From Venus's hazy skies to Neptune's dim twilight, the sun's appearance changes dramatically depending on where you are in the solar system. Yet, no matter where you go, it remains a constant, a beacon of light and heat in the darkness of space. It's fascinating to imagine these perspectives, but it also gives us a greater appreciation for our vantage point here on Earth. If you enjoyed this journey through the planets, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cosmic explorations.